Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to take you through the pound yen. Price has broken through the highs of a range, so we're looking to see if pound yen will extend to the upside now. And we had some good data out of the UK today, which was the manufacturing and the services PMI, and you can see here about 9:30 AM British Standard Time. Oops. There we go. Oops, there we go. The flash manufacturing PMI came in at 49.2 ahead of 47. Flash services PMI, so services PMI is a little bit more noted in the UK as they are more of a service industry, and we've got 53.3 there ahead of the revised 48.7. So some strong figures there coming out of the UK, some good news for the UK after we've had quite a lot of sort of bad data in the UK and the Bank of England talking about recession, things like that. We've had some positivity and the pound has benefited off the back of that, and you can see here we've traded through that 162 handle high. And if price remains above this level, we could see an extension to the next areas of resistance. So you can see I've got kind of a zone marked out in here, which is from a lower time frame, which we'll go take a look at in a second. But that is the 166 handle. You can see price kind of paused here before we continued to break to the downside after forming, again, a bit of a consolidation. And since then, price has kind of traded to the downside through December. Now we're having another breakout. Could we see an extension higher? Now the next area of resistance above that one is the 169 handle. That is all these highs back through December and November of last year. So I'm looking to see if price will go and target those areas. Now what we could look for, if you're sort of a trend-based trader, what you could wait for is price to kind of play out a little bit here, price to come back to the 162 and see if buyers remain at that point and have a little look at a trend trading opportunity, looking for the higher low pattern. Alternatively, if you're a bit more of an aggressive or a bit more of a day trader, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, what you want to be looking for are key reversal patterns. So if price was to come back down into here, I'd be looking for a double bottom pattern, or I'd be looking for the inverse head and shoulders pattern, where we get kind of a sort of left shoulder play. Price may drive down a little bit lower before then forming that right shoulder and continuing to push to the upside. So the area I'm looking to target is this area here. Now, the reason why I'm doing that, again, we used to talk about volume profile in the past. Now, volume profile will basically show you, if I was just kind of put one onto this day here on the 19th of December, you would basically see a, this week here, you'd basically see sort of a bit of a sort of peak in there, a very, very flat middle, and then a peak at the bottom. And what they call that is double distribution days, where you have a build-up of volume at the bottom, a build-up of volume at the top, but you've got all this empty space. Now, what happens is price usually likes to fill that void. So that's why I'm looking to see if price will trade to the upside through here. So looking to see if we will get price to trade up to at least the 166 handle. It may come in a little bit short. I've also got a 165 put in here, but overall I think 166 to 169 could be filled for pound yen in the near future. So like I said, looking for price to pull back down into this area of support. If we can see some kind of reversal pattern here, either it being a inverse head and shoulders, a double bottom pattern, anything to suggest that buyers are stepping in at this range point, then I'll happily look to see if traders are getting long up to those key areas of resistance. Hopefully that all made sense. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content. And I'll speak to you in the next video.